Hello friends, how are you? I think you are well. Hello. Today we are going to cook a different recipe from cowtounge. So let's prepare it again and boil it. This time we are going to make another dishes. This dish is cooking and chilies, making things, and we are going to prepare cooking now. Today we are now going to cook this another recipe. So our cooking is going to finish. So my dish is made. Thanks to everyone. Let's taste it. Taste it. Hello friends, how are you? This one I'm going to another part of cooking. We are now going to cook finish, and this is called tarkey. We are now going to cook tarkey. So our cooking is going to first prepare it 22 calories and we put it hours first. So okay, let's relate everything to cooking to finish. Our cooking is finished, so let's try sing it.